Hi everybody, this is Devin with RM Wraps, and what you're looking at here is a custom wrapped IDW G-9.5 Upright Cooler for Sassy Balls protein snacks. This unit will eventually make its way up to one of their local gyms up in Connecticut. Of note on this unit was the use of some 3M frosted crystal glass vinyl. From a distance, it's really subtle and allows you to see the product through the glass door, but up close, it gives it that really fun, sparkly kind of pop, just to kind of make the unit stand out a little bit more. So if you're interested in units like this, you can find us on our website, rmwraps.com. If you have any questions, you can call us, 208-696-1180, or you can email us, info@rmwraps.com. Also on our website, you can find a lot more examples of refrigerators like this. We do mini fridges, we do upright coolers, we'll do pretty much any commercial appliances like this. So this was a fun one, and we'll see you on the next video.